back to a new video of Education Mantra. Today, we are going to discuss most important one-word question answers on Chapter 8 Civics Confronting Marginalization. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. I know I am a little late for making the video, but I was a little bit busy. That's why I was not able to make the video. Now I am back with the video. Today we'll discuss most important one-word question answers on this chapter. New to the channel, subscribe our channel and press the bell notification. And I know most of the viewers don't like the video. Subscribe our channel. Please subscribe our channel. We make our video very with a lot of difficulty. So please like the video and share it with your friends. Let's begin. In which article of the Constitution it is stated that untouchability has been abolished? It's Article 17. In Article 15 of the Constitution notes that no citizen of India shall be discriminated against on basis of what? Its religion, race, caste or gender. These four these four topics cannot be discriminated about a citizen of India. Okay, this the article is 15. Okay, remember it. You can practice it as MCQs also. There will be options, but same is here only. Who was the well-known Bhakti poet in 14th century Maharashtra? It's Chokha Mela. Remember to read the important did you know, do you know, and these important sources boxes, very important. Okay, for which communities the government provides free or subsidized hostels for students for education for Dalits and Adivasis. Okay, it means to exclude an individual or a group, ostracize. Very important. At the last, it is given glossary. That means that word meanings very important. Which act was passed in 2006 by the central government? So the correct answer is the Scheduled Castes, Tribes and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers Act. Sorry, I had said caste. It was Scheduled Tribes. Okay. Which Adivasi activist pointed out that one of the violators of constitutional rights guaranteed to tribal people are governments in various states of India. Very important. It's C.K. Janu. It refers to the practice of removing human and animal waste or excretion. Manual scavenging. Name any two fundamental rights that Dalits can use to be treated equally. First is right to equality, second is right to life and liberty. What was Kabir's caste occupation? We all know about Sant Kabir ji. His caste was weaver by occupation. Okay. It refers to the reduce power and importance of certain people in our country. Marginalization. Which state is known for more than 60% of tribes? Odisha. These all questions have been taken from your NCERT book. So you can practice these very important questions have been taken. Reservation plays an important role in safeguarding the interests of which communities? Adivasis and Dalits. Who was Bhangis and Pakhis? Manual scavengers. Dalits can invoke what if they feel being marginalized? Fundamental rights. In the previous slide, we had discussed about this only. The two fundamental rights were, anyone remember? Write down in the comment box. First one was right to equality. Second was Second one was, yeah, guess. Okay, I'll tell. It was right to life and liberty. So this was all for the video. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe our channel and share with your friends, because we find it very difficult for finding these very important one word answers, MCQs and fill-ups. Thank you for watching. I'll bring one more video tomorrow. Let's meet you in next video. Thank you.